back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make skillet potatoes using Irish potatoes. This is the best way to have Irish actually. Can you like my channel? Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and let's get down to it. With a pot of water on fire, add some salt, cover and bring to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add your prepped Irish potatoes. Any variant will do. Cover, allow to cook until it is soft, like a fork can go through it, just like that. Now strain it. Add some margarine. You can add butter, but I'm using margarine here. Now grate in some garlic, depending on how much garlic you like. Since the potatoes I'm using is small, I just used a clove of garlic. Now add some parsley. I used about, let's say, a teaspoon or thereabout. Yes, I'll leave everything in the description box below. Give that a good stir until all potatoes have been coated. Now this skillet has been on fire and it is very hot. Can you hear the sizzling? Now transfer the potatoes into it, and you can also reduce it so that to aid easy browning, and then you turn it from side to side until all the sides of the potato is brown. Now add some salt and stir that. So fun. Basically, it's ready. Just look at that. Potatoes made with a cast iron skillet is just amazing. Thank you so much for going on this journey with me. Until next time, guys. Mwah.